So what should we do then if we are arrogant? I did my self-analysis. I am arrogant. Oh my God. What should I do? I should try to work on myself to get rid of that. One thing that the Prophet said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, go and do salam to everybody. Ibadi'u bis salami bari'un min al-kibari, O kama qala. He said, one who initiates salam, he is free of arrogance. Do salam to everybody, to kids, small kids, playing on the street. Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you doing? Go and do salam to your own children. Go salam to your elders, of course. We should be doing salam to them in any way. But we should do salam to everybody. When my driver comes and drives me, when I enter the car, Assalamu alaikum, how are you today? When my cook is cooking food for me, he comes with the food. Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing today? Person, as I said, selling fruits on the street. Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing today? Everything okay? And then, how much are the apples for? If I go to the shopkeeper, to the shop to buy anything, a person sitting on the counter, Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing today? This is what we should be doing, saying salam to everybody and asking them how are they doing. I mean, it may be that I've been so arrogant because I'm whatever, right? I'm a governor or a minister or I'm a CEO of a multinational. Maybe it hurts at the start, but I have to get rid of it because I cannot enter paradise if I have the particles weight of arrogance in my heart. I cannot. It's a deadly disease. People think of me as a bad person because I'm bad character, because I'm arrogant. And I have to be close to the Prophet ﷺ right on the day of judgment. And we did the hadith in the previous episode that people with the best character will be the closest to the Prophet ﷺ. We did the hadith that on the day of judgment, the thing that will be heaviest on the scale will be the best characters, the good character. I have to earn all of that. So I have to work on myself. So say salam to people. And also, we should be doing some tasks that maybe hurt my ego a little bit. In other words, for example, I walked in and I see people have taken their shoes off and they're all random. So maybe what I can do is I can just put the shoes of people and maybe put them in line, arrange them. Go to the masjid and see, their shoes all around, all over the place. Maybe I can take the shoes of people and maybe put them in line, arrange them. It may hurt my ego, why should I do that? Well, why not? Why not, right? It's good to arrange everything. Inna Allah ta'ala jamilun yuhibbul jamal. Allah ta'ala loves beauty. He is beautiful and He loves beauty. So let me arrange because He loves beauty. So when they'll be all in line, arranged in a sequence, Allah ta'ala will love that rather than being random all over the place. So why not? Why not? So why me? Why not me, right? Who am I? I'm a human being. If anybody else can do it, the sweeper, the cleaner can do it, so why can't I do it? He's a human being like myself. We should try to crush our nafs a little bit every once in a while to get rid of that arrogance that is in me. We must do it. And that's why, when we are in a group, I should take charge of serving people. If anybody has to serve tea, let me serve. It helps in getting rid of arrogance. Let me serve the people. Why, I'm sitting like this and somebody else is serving tea all the time. Yes, so, today you are serving, tomorrow I can. Right? Why not? So, a few tips to get rid of arrogance, inshallah ta'ala. And also make dua to Allah ta'ala. Allahumma ati nafsi taqwaha wa zakkiha anta khayru man zakkaha anta waliyuha wa mawlaha. It's a masnoon dua. Ya Allah, grant my nafs its taqwa. Allahumma ati nafsi taqwaha wa zakkiha. Ya Allah, purify my nafs. Anta khayru man zakkaha. You are the best of those who can purify the nafs. Nobody else can. Ya Allah, you can. Anta waliyuha. You are caretaker of my nafs. Anta waliyuha wa mawlaha. You are its master. Ya Allah, you are in control of my nafs. Ya Allah, please purify my nafs. Let me get rid of this filth of arrogance from my heart. Also, it is very good to, be with the poor people, mingle with poor people. It also helps a lot. Those people, with not very clean clothes. The mushrikeen of Makkah, by the way, the elites of the mushrikeen of Makkah and in Medina Munawwara as well, by the way, they said that we will listen to you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, with a condition. And the condition was what? We will not sit in the same gathering as these poor people are sitting. In the same gathering where these poor people are sitting. We will not sit in the same gathering. If you let them go and only allow us to be in this gathering, then we'll come in your gathering and listen to you. Arrogance. What did Allah Ta'ala say? وَاصْبِرْ نَفْسَكَ مَعَ الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ رَبَّهُمْ بِالْغَدَاةِ وَالْعَشِيِّ يُرِيدُونَ وَجْهَهُ. You stick yourself with those people who are making dua morning and evening just to seek the pleasure of Allah. وَلَا تَعْدُ عَيْنَاكَ عَنْهُمْ تُرِيدُ زِينَةَ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. Don't turn your eyes away from these poor people. Do you want the glitter of the life of this dunya? Yani these elites? Let them go. If they don't have any desire to come and sit with these poor people, let them go. وَلَا تُطِعْ مَنْ أَغْفَلْنَا قَلْبَهُ عَنْ ذِكْرِنَا وَاتَّبَعَ هَوَاهُ وَكَانَ أَمْرُهُ فُرُطًا. Don't listen to these people whose hearts I have made heedless of my remembrance, and they follow their desires, and their matter is strange. Allah Ta'ala says, don't. If they can come and sit with these poor people, then go and then you can talk to them. But if they don't come and they don't want to come and sit with these poor people, let them go. Don't talk to them. Subhan. It also helps go in some, those areas where there are people, there are poor people, shake hands with them, hug them. On Eid day, go and give them a big hug. Eid Mubarak. We must do it, my friends. We must. So that we can become those people that Allah Ta'ala loves. Man tawada'a lillahi rafa'ahu Allah. Whoever humbles himself for the sake of Allah, then Allah will raise him up. وَمَنْ تَكَبَّرَ وَدَعَهُ اللَّهُ أَوْ كَمَا قَالَ. Whoever shows arrogance, and Allah Ta'ala will put him down. It's very important. So may Allah Ta'ala allow us to be those beautiful people who are humble people, who walk with humility, who act with humility, who love everybody, who are ready to sit with the poor and eat with them and shake hands with them and hug them and talk with respect and dignity to them, inshallah. Inshallah, we'll continue with our episode of good character, inshallah, and we'll talk about another topic in the next episode. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.